Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna be doing this video inside my garage. It's like triple degree heat outside, so I'm gonna make this super quick. All right, so in this quick video, I'm just gonna be showing you what I'm doing to color match like my fender covers that are gonna be in my truck. Let me go ahead and twist this around. So here they are. I took them off from my truck, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna color match it to caribou brown because my truck's two-tone and I got custom badging. So what I did was remove these. They all come apart. It wasn't too fragile. Those popped out, these popped out, those popped out. So you need all of these in order to properly color match. You can cut a few corners, but this is what I'm doing. All right, so after removing that, take out some sandpaper. I think I used some 320 or some 120, whatever you got. So after that, I used some rubbing alcohol, rubbed it down, made sure it was clean, and then here we go. All right, so what I'm using here today is all from Amazon. All right, right into the reviews. It all looks good enough for me. Checks out. Comes with these cool instructions. Spraying, so primer, boom, 2-3 coats. Dry time, 25 minutes in between. Spray base coat, 2-3 coats. Again, 25 minutes in between each coat. All right, blending, whatever that means. Clear coat, that's what I'm using too. 1 to 2 coats. Let's see, dry time 30 minutes in between each coat. Pretty simple. This is all you really need. Comes with color match test card to ensure that they give you the right paint. All right, so I got H5. All right, I bought some primer, some clear coat, and then a base coat color of 4H. All right, so I think I bought one kit with like clear coat and primer, and then the other one I just bought a base coat color. So that's all you're really gonna need. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through with the instructions. I'm gonna do 2 to 3 coats of primer right here. Probably give it about 20-25 minutes to dry in between each. I'm just gonna do a full 3. I'll do a max of what they're recommending, and then I'm gonna move on to base coat color. All right, caribou brown. I don't remember the code, so this one could be caribou brown, this one could be caribou brown, and then I'm gonna go through with clear coat. So yeah, pretty simple process. I'm gonna go ahead, follow the instructions with what I just mentioned, and then show you what the final product is. All right, so we got primer on. Now it's time for the base coat. I did have to sand it just a little bit because some portions were a little heavier. Caught some dust on some. So yeah, that's about it. So 2-3 coats of base going down. All right, guys, so I just finished painting or doing 3 coats of this base coat. H5 Ford Caribou Metallic. All right, so as you can see, these parts are coming out phenomenal. Great. I've done a lot of painting in my days, like trying to do some small projects like these. I've always somehow jacked it up, but this project is going extremely smooth. I think the primer, laying down that primer, really helped with the base coat. The prep was okay. The primer went on, had to sand it just a little bit. That was my fault, but the primer, I can tell that's some good stuff. And then this stuff, you know, for it to come, you know, directly, this is custom. Like, they have to make this. As you can, that's handwriting that says Ford H5. Like, this is handwriting. So they have to individually make this paint, and I mean, it just looks so good so far. All right, so I did 3 coats. What I'm gonna do is give it the night, let it somewhat cure. All right, still got some of that, but then I'm gonna use this clear coat. Okay, so I already did, let's see, spray paint. All right, next step's gonna be clear coat application, highly recommended. 1 to 2 coats, dry time 30 minutes in between coats. So I'm gonna do that starting tomorrow, and I'll take some video once I'm this done. Is just specifically what I'm doing for the clear coat, other than following the directions. Always shaking the can for like a minute before each coat. The temperature is like around 90 degrees. Humidity is like sitting right around 60 to 70, so it's like fairly normal conditions. Yeah, so what they recommend is 2 light coats and then 1 medium coat of clear. All right, so this is what I got right now. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the final medium coat of this clear. good. Oh yeah. Sure. Tight. Now we're gonna give it some time, make sure that it dries. Maybe do a little wet sanding, but if it's like decent, I'm not even gonna care. All right, I'm not a professional. Anyways, we'll see what the final product looks like. All right, gents, so here's the final product, and I'm telling you, this looks phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Here's the custom badging. Boom, boom. All right, so two-tone. That's why you pay for quality. The spray paint does the work for you. All right, let's look at this other side. Incognito, looks great, I'm telling you. Awesome. Hey, let me know what you guys think. Fairly easy process. Put in the work for prep. Buy the primer. Get you a clear coat. I'm telling you, this is awesome. Looks good.